Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to create Slide Master in Google Slides. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward, quick, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you're a beginner in using Google Slides, you're just not familiar with the whole interface of Google Slides, or even if you're a first-timer in using the software, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to create Slide Masters. Also, if you are interested, we already have created a how-to guide for beginners when it comes to using these softwares such as Google softwares, including Google Sheets, Google Docs, and many more. So please be sure to check it out on our YouTube channel. Also, we have a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google software tutorials on our YouTube channel as well, so be sure to check it out too. Now, before starting with anything else, I want you to make sure that the browser you are using, either you are on Mac or on Windows like me, is currently up to date. And this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may we encounter along the way. Now without further ado, let's get started in the tutorial itself. Now as you can see right here, I have a blank canvas that I have just created in Google Slides. And to start, I will type in here a few texts. Now as you can see, I have here our YouTube channel name. We got subscribe, like, and comment on the next slides. Now let's say for example, I would like to edit these text, the header text, with uniformity. What that means is that whatever I will apply when it comes to text formatting on this text header should also be applied to these following headers. Because if we want to do it manually, then it will take us hours just to apply all of those text effects in these headers. So is there a way that we can apply it all at once? Well, fortunately, Google Slides offers us a feature in which we can create slide masters. To create slide masters, all you have to do is to focus on the upper panel of our screen, in which we can see the different tabs right over here. And from the tabs, all you have to do is to click on the slide tab right over here. And then as you can see, we got edit theme. Now this used to be called edit master, but in the recent update of Google Slides, they have changed it to edit theme. So click on this one and it should open our slide master like so. Now as you can see, we can edit our layouts right over here. And then if I click on the theme one right over here, as you can see, all of the slides on the left side will be highlighted, because whatever we put here will affect all of the slides right over here. Now let's say for example, I want this one to be on bold and the font is lobster. And now as you can see, we already have edited the format or text formatting. Let's say I want the color to be blue like so. And to apply, all I have to do is to click on the X icon right over here. And now as you can see, the first header will be edited into that text formatting on our edit master. We can also see that these headers will be changed as well, just like what is applied on this first heading. As simple as that, we can create edit masters in Google Slides that will make our work more efficient and our life easier. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.